Hola guys, as usual before I do a cook with me video, I do a small grocery haul. I put up any major groceries away already, but I left out a few because they go in the cabinet up above where this stuff is, or because it is going to be used with the recipe that I'm making today. I want to make Duros Preparados, and it's basically a wheat snack topped with all kinds of yumminess. Now, on my last cook with me video, I had mentioned making these, but I showed you guys a different wheat snack when this is the one I was looking for. I find these everywhere, but they're always broken. And I actually was able to find a pack of these little wheat sheets that was beautiful and not smashed. So I grabbed one because this is how I prefer to eat my Duros Preparados. It just means wheat prepared snack. So let me get into what I purchased. I did go ahead and pick these up. Depending on where you buy them, they can range anywhere from $1.99 to $4.99, depending on where you buy them. These were $3.99. I got a cabbage for them, some lemon for them, these Mexican green onions for them, because I don't like raw white onion. I don't like raw onion, period. But if anything calls for it, I prefer to use either the little green onions, the little chives, or these. They're a little bigger. These are the Mexican ones, and you can actually eat these. They're really good. You can cook with, stew with, whatever, but I chop these up, and the little green stems. They have a more stronger flavor than your regular green onions, because green onions are like really sweet and light. These are also sweet, but they're a little more yummy. They got more flavor. I got a cucumber, which I seed. I wanted an English cucumber, but that's not what I use on these. Like traditionally is not what you use on one of these. So whatever. I picked up some of this fideo de sopa de fideos that little dude likes when I'm in a hurry and I just want a side for tacos or tostadas. This is what we make. And to tweak my preparados, I use crab or shrimp. You're supposed to use pickled pork skin, cueritos. I can't do that, guys. It's a texture thing with me. I don't eat anything pickled, not any body part, not any organ, not skin. I can't do it. But I wanted a little protein, a little meat, a little something, something. So I'm going to top these with crab. And it is imitation because the real deal is too expensive. And I don't eat these often. And I don't want a bunch of fresh crab either to go bad or freeze, because then it ain't fresh no more. But anywho, this is what I picked up at the store. Now I'm going to show you guys what we need to prepare these. Okay, so let me pan over everything, give you guys a visual. This is what I use. People tweak it to their own traditionally. They have sour cream, tomato, cucumber, avocado, cabbage, those cueritos that I don't like. Some people put tomato on it. I don't like tomato on them because it makes the little duros soft, and I don't want to have to rush to eat my stuff because there's already a lot of stuff on it. So these are what I was going to make them with initially because I couldn't find these intact. These are really good too, but honestly I prefer to eat these just as is with a little Valentina on it with a squeeze of lemon as a snack. So I'm not going to use these today. I'm going to use these, and what you do is you layer them with all this goodness. Like I said, some of y'all might not use these ingredients for yours, but this is how I do mine. I use cabbage, cucumber, radishes, avocado, onions, queso fresco, a protein of my choice. I'm doing crab today. Cilantro. Did I already say radish? I like to chop up radish small and chunky and sprinkle them on top. And then for this, I like to use Valentina. This can burn if you're not used to it, but it's also very smoky, it's just a good flavor. So this is what I've been using forever on these. I don't eat these often, but I've been eating them for a long time, and they're really, really good. It's a light snack. It's a light lunch. It's really refreshing in the summertime when you don't want to heat up your kitchen. It's just really good eats. So let's get ready to make them. What is what?
This.
Those are Mexican green onions. You want to sniff them?
What's wrong?
Oh, you don't like cilantro either, so why'd you sniff it? I'm going to make some duros preparados. You want to try them?
No.
to do is put it together. Here's all my goodies. My goodies. My goodies. And as y'all saw, the crab did not work, so I pulled me some deli ham, which I've done before. Not what I wanted, but it's what we're gonna do. I've bought imitation crab before, and it's plump and juicy and tastes like crab. This was dry, felt like an eraser, tasted a little crabby, but it was dry. It was practically powder in my mouth. It was disturbing, but I should have known something was up when they were only $1.68. But let's start this bad boy. You get your tablita or your duro. Like I said, you can add all these toppings to the little round ones if you want to do them more like a nacho style, but I'm kind of wanting to do like a tostada style. And you can go a little heartier with this if you want to put beans down like on a tostada, chicken, beef, pork, whatever you want on there with these toppings. It's all of that. But this is just like the super basic. So I'm just taking my sour cream. The prep takes more than anything, guys. Put as much sour cream as you like. I like sour cream. So you're just spreading it on your little tablita, your little plank, your little sheet. Okay. It snaps, crackles, and pops. Listen. Okay. So I start off with my cabbage. Okay. You'll see. Okay. My little bud onions. Okay. I wasn't going to use tomato, but I had one good one left in there, and I went ahead and took the seeds out, and I'm going to put that on there too. You want to get close to the edges so you get a good yummy bite of everything in there. Okay, put a little cabbage over on the edge. Okay, isn't that pretty? Okay, then I'm going to do my cilantro. You can omit anything you don't like. Anything you don't want, you don't got to put it on there. Okay, my radishes. Some people don't do radish. I do. Okay. I'm going to do my protein, my ham nestled in here in between all the goodness because we still have lots of stuff to put on here. See? Can y'all see? Oops, I lost some ham in the cabbage. Okay. I really had my mouth set on crab, but what you gonna do? My cucumber. Okay. It is so pretty. It's kind of like a Mexican pizza. So pretty and fresh and delicious. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my crumbly cheese. Sprinkly, 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 sprinkly. Okay. Now I'm gonna do, and I'm doing everything with my hands, guys. I know some of y'all might be cringing, but the prep work wore me out. The fact that this is avocado, the fact that I couldn't use my crab just upset me so. So forgive me for using my hands. I'm just ready to eat. Okay, put the avocados there. Get a bite on the edge over here. Okay, now I drizzle. Isn't that pretty? Drizzle some lemon or lime all over it, whatever you want to use. Get out of there, seed. And then, let me wash my hands. The pièce de résistance, what brings it all lovingly together, is the Valentina of it all. So, just gonna sploosh some Valentina across the top. Now, the black label is really hot. Some of y'all might call me a lightweight, but the black one is hot. And you can drizzle more sour cream on top if you want. But this is what you end up with. Isn't that pretty? This is a Duros Preparado. And it's what's for dinner tonight. Now, I'm going to try and take a bite and see if it don't break apart. And you don't want to sit on this because the ayuda, the little, your little thingy will get soft and break apart. It could break apart all over on me right now. But let's take a bite. You guys, it's so good. If you like pork rinds, it's the crisp and texture of a pork rind, but it's wheat. It's puffed wheat. That's all it is. I'm gonna go eat, guys. This turned out pretty darn good with my deli ham. But if y'all want to try it, top it with whatever you guys want to top it. I went a little off the tradition with my radishes, but you can top it off with whatever you want. Like I said, you can layer beans to make a heartier one, and you can put shredded chicken or seasoned beef, like for tacos. You can put that on there. You can put pulled pork. You can put anything on here. You can put seafood on here, but real seafood. Don't go get no $1.68 imitation crab. But this is what's for dinner for Mama. And if y'all try it, I hope y'all like it. And I love y'all bunches. And bon appetit. Bon appetit, y'all. Bye.